Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a delicious healthy poha. First I heat a little oil in my pan, then I add mustard seeds and curry leaves for that lovely aroma. Next, toss in some nuts and add veggies like diced potatoes, onions, green peas and carrots. Cook them until they are nice and tender. Add salt and turmeric according to your taste. After that, gently clean the poha and add into the pan and stir it. Let it cook together for a few minutes so all the flavor mix nicely. When serving, top it off with crunchy save, chanachur and add some fresh onion and a squeeze of lime juice. And there you have it, warm, tasty poha ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.